Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by grounding yourself and organizing tools so nothing moves you off course. First, remove the strap and unscrew visible fasteners. Use a plastic spudger to lift the bezel to avoid scratching. Once done, detach ribbon cables only after noting their orientation and photographing each step so reassembly is exact. Make sure to keep screws grouped and labeled. This saves time and prevents damage later. You'll understand why careful documentation prevents common mistakes when components are tiny and fragile. You now dive into diagnosis. Visually inspect for corrosion, swollen battery, or broken traces, and probe the battery voltage with a multimeter to confirm failure. Then isolate the display and sensor connectors, checking continuity along flex cables. A cold solder joint will show intermittent readings. Once identified, remove the defective module using controlled heat and gentle prying. Then install the replacement using original spec parts and light adhesive. Because matching tolerances ensures water resistance, you finish by carefully reassembling. Reseat all connectors in the photographed orientation and tighten screws in a diagonal pattern to preserve casing alignment. Once sealed, power on and run a sequence of checks: touchscreen responsiveness, heart rate and motion sensors, Bluetooth pairing, and a short battery drain test to verify functionality. If something still fails, perform a targeted troubleshooting step. Re-examine solder joints and cable routing. Then do a factory reset. This separates hardware faults from firmware issues and usually reveals the root cause.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.